Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by connecting your phone to the PC with a high-quality USB cable. You want a reliable data link, not just charging. On your Windows 10 PC, install the vendor USB drivers if they aren't present. This lets Windows recognize the handset. On the phone, enable USB tethering or USB Internet. This exposes the phone's Wi-Fi connection to the computer. Once done, open Settings on Windows to verify a new network adapter appears, because Windows needs that adapter to route traffic. With drivers installed and cable connected, go to your phone's hotspot and tethering screen. Enable USB tethering. This is the key switch that shares the phone's Wi-Fi to the PC. Back on Windows, watch for new Ethernet-like adapter to install. This represents the tethered connection. If Windows shows a limited connection, right-click the adapter in Network Connections and choose Diagnose. Often a missing driver triggers that. Make sure the phone stays awake and unlocked while Windows completes the setup. Finish by verifying Internet access on your PC. Open a browser and load a page to confirm. If pages fail, first toggle USB tethering off and on, then try another USB port or a different cable, because physical connection issues are common. If problems persist, open Device Manager on Windows, find the tethering network adapter, and update or reinstall its driver. This often fixes recognition issues. One key troubleshooting tip: enable USB debugging only if instructed by your device maker, otherwise stick to standard tethering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.